Process to download Epstein files is quite simple. Simply open up your browser. In my case, I've opened the Chrome browser. And here you need to type in for Epstein files, just files and hit enter. So you will see this justice.gov link. So just go and click on that. This is Epstein library and it contains everything. It might ask you, are you 18 years old? Just go and click on yes. And once you go down, you can go and click on go to DOJ disclosures. And if you need to go down again, and here are the Epstein Files Transparency Act. Just go and click on that. So these are all the data sets that you can view and download. So click on View Files. Inside each dataset, there are hundreds of other files. For example, if I go and open it in a new link, this would open up. And there are also like really long text files, maybe this one. And there are also pictures in this, like this one. So these are all the dataset that you have. One more thing that you could do is you could always search for full library. And here you can type in some name too, maybe Elon, if it came up. So you can see everything came up. And you can go to those files and download the files again. So it is that simple. Hope this video has helped you out to download Epstein files. But before you go, please like the video.